got a call for a walk-in cooler at 60 degrees. It's at the town over. We'll head out. It's not early. It's like in the morning. Well, let's head out there and see what's broken. Here's the cooler. It's hot in here. What I do is, I came up here to the thermostat and I was clicking it. But I don't hear a solenoid valve energizing. I'm not sure if it's in here or not. We're going to take a look. So I always want to hear the solenoid energize. Another NorCal Dave special. Look at this peach. Wasted. $11,000 BTUs. It's gonna need a new coil minimum, so let's go on the roof and see what we get into. It off at the defrost timer here. I can see there's some marks on it where it's been worked on before. So let's see if that clock advances. I still haven't found the solenoid valve for this unit. That unit has a solenoid valve up here on the roof. Liquid line solenoid. This one so far doesn't have one. I looked under the flashing there and it's not there, so I'll have to see if it's on top of the box. We'll have to take a peek. So I advanced the time clock and the unit came on. And we'll let it run here for a bit. You saw what shape the evaporator coil's in. You notice the R22 unit. 1992. It's flashing right now, but we'll let that go. That box is really hot. So we'll let it run for a bit here, and it looks like it's going to clear up. It's the H.V.A.C adjusting. I don't know how. There's no fins left on the evaporator coil. We'll see if this time clock's working. It'll advance. I'm thinking probably not. That bangs that contactor on and off, and then the defrost timer breaks a leg to it. So I got the time clock changed out, and I gotta let the owner know they need a new evaporator coil minimums. Another NorCal Dave special. Oh yeah, so I tried to get the thermostat set as best I could. When I come across jobs like this, I try to disturb as little as possible. You don't want to go so old. You don't want to go poking and prodding and wrenching on stuff. I found it best to leave it alone, but we got to write up this. The age of that condensing unit, 1992. Come on, man. Look at this condensate drain setup. Are you kidding me? Wow. That's all I can say is wow. The Canon printer died and I got this new HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer, and it is the cat's meow. It'll crank the invoices out so fast. Works flawlessly. I highly recommend this printer. the HP Office Jet 200 mobile. Light years ahead of that Canon. What was it, the I-110 that I had? This thing crushes it. Should have done this a long time ago. I'm loving this printer. Let me turn it off. Boop. Shutting down. Right.